UPI is not just a payment system, it is a people platform. It has made financial transactions faster, simpler, transparent, and truly inclusive. In doing so, it has not only transformed how India pays, but how India progresses. Not long ago, a simple financial transaction demanded time, effort, and patience. Paying bills meant standing in a long queue. Sending money required a visit to the bank, right? Filling out form and waiting days for confirmation. For millions in India, without access to banking, it meant exclusion from the financial system itself. That India, however, is now the past. India's financial journey has evolved over centuries, from barter systems and cowrie cells to coin, paper currency, and checks. For much of its modern history, cash remained the dominant mode of transaction, while checks and demand draft formalized payment. They were slow and accessible only to a limited segment. Banking infrastructure was largely urban centric. Leaving rural and remote population undeserved. The early 2000s marked the beginning of digital transformation in payment. The Reserve Bank of India introduced systems like real-time gross settlement (RTGS) in 2004 and immediate payment service (IPMS) in 2010, enabling faster and round-the-clock transfer. These were significant milestones, but their reach remained limited to those already within the banking ecosystem and access to formal financial services. A large segment of India's population remain outside formal finance, without access to credit, insurance, or secure saving. The absence of a scalable, inclusive, and real-time digital infrastructure meant that the benefits of economic growth could only fully reach everyone. The need for transformational shift was clear, and it was this need that set the stage for India's digital payment revolution. India's digital payment transformation is built on a foundational architecture comprising three key pillars: Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Aadhaar, and mobile connectivity, collectively known as the GEM Trinity. Each pillar serves a distinct purpose, but together they have strengthened the financial ecosystem by reducing leakages, enhancing trust in formal banking, and preparing citizens to engage with digital services. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has brought into the formal banking system by enabling the large-scale opening of zero-balance accounts, ensuring that even the most undeserved population are financially connected. Aadhaar has strengthened this foundation by providing a reliable digital identity, enabling precise targeting and seamless delivery of services. The rapid expansion of mobile connectivity and internet access has empowered citizens with a convenient real-time interface for communication, authentication, and transaction. This integrated framework found its full expression through the direct bank transfer system, which has streamlined the delivery of government benefit directly into bank accounts. By reducing intermediaries and enhancing transparency, DBT has improved efficiency while building confidence in digital systems. Importantly, this transformation has gone beyond access. It has enabled participation. As citizens engage with DBT, they became increasingly familiar with digital financial transactions, paving the way for the widespread adoption of platforms such as the Unified Payment Interface (UPI). The idea of UPI was radical in its simplicity. No account numbers to memorize. It replaces complex inputs like account numbers and IFSC codes with a simple interface. Users only need a mobile number, a UPI ID, and secure authentication to initiate instant transfer. Transactions are processed in real time, available round the clock, and seamlessly interoperable across banks and applications. This interoperability has been central to UPI's rapid expansion from 216 banks in 2021 to 691 banks in 2026. The network has grown into a unified payment infrastructure that enables users to transact effortlessly, regardless of their bank or platform. In parallel, its low-cost architecture has reduced barriers for individuals and merchants alike, while encouraging innovation among banks and fintech players. As UPI scaled, its impact extended beyond ease of payment. It began to reshape how individuals, small businesses, and informal workers participate in the financial system. Digital transactions became more accessible, reliable, and widely adopted across regions and income groups. UPI has moved beyond simplifying payment to reshaping participation in the financial system. By enabling instant low-cost transactions, it has reduced dependence on cash, improved efficiency, and open access to formal finance for millions. For small merchants and informal workers, this shift is especially significant, creating new payment pathways to credit, insurance, and saving. The real story lies not in the volume of transactions, but in who is transacting. Auto rickshaw driver accept payment through QR code. Village mandis settle transactions instantly. Street vendors no longer struggle with change. A domestic worker can send money across state in seconds using a basic smartphone. In this system, the divide between urban and rural, formal and informal, steadily disappears, making a decisive shift toward financial inclusion. At the same time, UPI is evolving into a broader financial platform. UPI Lite support quick, small value payment, while UPI AutoPay streamlines recurring expenses such as utility bills and subscriptions. Credit on UPI extend to reach further by enabling access to pre-approved credit line. Building on this infrastructure, NBFCs and fintech firms are delivering loan, enabling repayment and offering tailored financial products, expanding the reach of formal finance across the country. Building on this expanding ecosystem, UPI is now embedded in the everyday economic fabric of the country. What began as a tool for convenience has evolved into a dependable system that supports individuals, businesses, and financial institutions alike. For users, the experience is defined by ease and trust. Transactions can be completed anytime, from anywhere, through a single application connected to multiple bank accounts. There is no need to share sensitive bank details, and built-in safeguards ensure that payments remain secure. Support features within apps further simplify grievance redressal, making the system accessible even for first-time users. Further strengthening this trust, the Reserve Bank of India has introduced enhanced authentication mechanism for digital payment transactions, effective from 1st April 2026. The mandate of two-factor authentication ensures that every transaction is verified through multiple layers such as PIN, biometrics, or secure tokens alongside OTPs. This significantly reduces fraud risk while reinforcing confidence in digital platforms. India's digital payment ecosystem has not only addressed domestic needs but has also emerged as a reference model globally. Institutions such as the International Monetary Fund (IMF) and the World Bank have acknowledged its scale, efficiency, and inclusiveness. Global leaders, including Emmanuel Macron, President of France, have noted India's achievement of processing over 20 billion transactions monthly through UPI, an operational scale unmatched by any other real-time payment system. UPI has also expanded beyond national boundaries and is now operational or linked with payment systems in multiple countries, including the United Arab Emirates, Singapore, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, France, Mauritius, and Qatar. This growing international footprint is facilitating cross-border transactions, supporting remittance, and contributing to financial inclusion. UPI has dissolved the divide between the financially served and the financially invisible. Rural and semi-urban India now transacts with the same speed and ease as metropolitan centers. Right? A homegrown system built in under a decade now lead the world. What began as an effort to include the unbanked has become the global gold standard for real-time payment. From QoS to QR code, India's journey reflects the power of inclusive innovation. UPI is not just a payment system, it is a people's platform. It has made financial transactions faster, simpler, transparent, and truly inclusive.